Hello everyone, I'm Shibir Ahmed Arif. I'm a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. I'm from June 2021 batch. I have assigned some tasks in this as an internship. Today I will discuss task 1. The topic is prediction using supervised machine learning. The objective of this task is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. At first, I have imported some necessary libraries. They are NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. And then I have imported the dataset. The dataset contains comma-separated values, so I used pd.readcsv function to call the dataset. Here we can see that the dataset contains two variables, hours and scores, whereas hours is the independent variable and scores is the dependent variable. To know more about the data, I have used data.shape. We can see that the dataset contains 25 rows and 2 columns. To check there is any missing value or not, I have used isNull function. And we can see that in the hours and scores columns there is no missing values. And then to visualize the dataset, I have used plot function. Keeping the hours in the x-axis, we can see that a positive linear relationship between the scores and hours of study. And then I have prepared the dataset. The x is the input, whereas the y is the output. That means x is the feature matrix and y is the vector of prediction. And then the dataset is splitted into two sets. They are train set and test set. I have used here train test split function to split the dataset into train set and test set. The train set contains 80% of the data and the rest of the data is contained in the test set. And then I have trained machine learning algorithm, and the algorithm is linear regression. I have used X-train and Y-train to build the algorithm. And then I have predicted on the test set of data. I have used predict function using the X test set of data to predict on the test set data. And then I have tried to visualize results of the train and test set. I have used two plots. In the right side, the right side of plot is contained the test set plot, and the whereas hours in the x-axis and scores in the y-axis. In the right side, the test set plot is shown here, and we can see that the rate values of plot in the is the actual values, and the blue line is the regression line. And then I have compared the actual and predicted values, and then I have evaluated the model using two parameters, mean absolute error and R squared score. In the mean absolute error, we can see that the value is 4.18. That means our predicted value is 4.18 less or more or less from the test set data. And we can see that R squared score is 0.945. That is not that bad. And finally, we have tried to predict on the model on the new data. Here we used hours is equal to 9.25, and we see that the predicted score on the 9.25 hours is 93.69. That is quite good. That's all of my today's discussion. Thank you so much for listening, and if you face any problem, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.